What if you could make money while you sleep? No job, no clients, and $0 to start. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that anyone in the US can start without investing a single dollar. These are real strategies used by beginners to earn $100, $500, or even $1,000 per month. And no, you don't need to show your face, start a business, or buy crypto. These ideas are beginner-friendly, and most can be done with just your phone or laptop. Let's get into it. And if you're new here, welcome to DollarWise, your home for smart money moves. Print on demand. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly passive income ideas, print on demand. Here's how it works. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or hoodies using a free tool like Canva. Then, you upload those designs to a print-on-demand site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Amazon Merch. Once your product is live, customers can find and buy it, and the platform takes care of printing, shipping, and delivery. You just collect royalties. The best part, you don't need to invest in inventory, a website, or ads. You make money every time someone buys, even while you sleep. Example, create a funny dog quote t-shirt. If 20 people buy it this month, and you make $5 per sale, that's $100 in passive income. Now imagine you have 10 bestsellers live. Popular niches include pets, fitness, sarcastic quotes, and hobbies like hiking or baking. Sell a digital product. Next up, digital products. This is one of my personal favorites because once you create it, it can sell forever. You can create a simple ebook, PDF checklist, planner, or even a short guide. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy, all for free. Let's say you know how to budget. You can write a 10-page PDF titled How I Saved $500 on a student budget and sell it for $7. If just 100 people download it, that's $700 in pure profit. You don't need to be a designer. Canva offers free templates, and Gumroad makes it super easy to upload and start selling. Popular ideas: study plans, credit building checklists, fitness meal planners, immigration or tax guides, side hustle step-by-step PDFs. Add a payment link, share it on social media or Reddit, and boom, passive income. Faceless YouTube channel. Number 3. Start a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube isn't just for vloggers and influencers. Thousands of channels earn passive income without ever showing their face or using their voice. Here's how. You pick a niche like motivational quotes, relaxing music, credit tips, or top 10 lists. Then, you create videos using stock footage, AI voiceovers, or just text animations. Once your videos get views and your channel is monetized, you start earning through YouTube AdSense. Example, a channel uploads 1 video per day, each earning just $2 a day. That's $60 a month per video. After 30 videos, it's $1,800 a month, and it grows from there. You can use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or CapCut to create content. Add affiliate links in your descriptions for extra income. This takes work up front, but over time, it becomes a real money machine. Affiliate marketing without a website. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, but without a blog or website. All you need is a free Medium account, a Pinterest profile, or a Reddit handle. You share valuable content and include your affiliate links. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. Sign up for free programs like Amazon Associates, Canva Affiliate, or Impact.com. Then create content like Top 5 Budgeting Apps for Students, Best Laptops Under $500, Tools I Use for Remote Work, Write a short post, pin a product image, or answer a Reddit question, and include your links. Example: one Medium post with affiliate links to Canva and Grammarly earns you $200 a month, and you wrote it once? This is powerful because it doesn't rely on followers, just helpful content plus search traffic. Sell Notion or Google Sheet templates. Finally, sell templates. People love tools that make life easier. You can create a Notion planner, a Google Sheets budget tracker, or a content calendar in Canva. Then, sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own store. It doesn't need to be fancy, just useful. Example: you create a Notion study tracker and sell it for $5. If 300 people download it in 3 months, that's $1,500. No inventory, no shipping, no ads. Hot ideas, budget templates, goal planners, social media calendars, study or fitness trackers. So there you have it, -5 legit ways to start earning passive income in the US with no money up front. Some will take a few hours to set up, others a few weeks, but once they're live, they can earn for months or even years. Which one will you try first? Comment below. I'd love to hear. And if you want more ideas like this, hit that like button and subscribe to DollarWise. Every week, we break down simple, smart ways to grow your money. All tools and free templates I mentioned are linked in the description below. Now go build your income system and let your money start working for you.